guys, it's finally time. Mom and I and the dog to decorate for fall. We're so excited. I've actually been waiting for this for like a month, but now it's finally not too early anymore. So in this video, we're gonna be doing all things fall. The fall spirit is here, and even the rain. And fall rain is great, right? Anyways. I just got home from a walk and now it's time to tidy a little bit in here and clean, and then afterwards we're gonna be decorating. Let's jump right into it. Ew, look at this. It's school stuff. Ew. Different super cute stuff. We love mushrooms here in this family, so we always have like a lot of mushrooms to decorate with. This is actually something I made, if you couldn't tell. I don't know which mushroom I should put in my room. We have like twins, well, mother and daughter here. Here we have, she's kind of scary actually. I don't want to have that one. Those are cute. They're like the Smurfs house. I really like this one. She looks like a little witch. I think I'm going for this one. Here you go. I also took like a full one of these because I think it works as a decoration, no? I feel like it works. So it's finally all nice and clean. A little fall reset is really nice and was really needed. So I'm very happy about this day. Do we want some leaves or not? We need something here because it's really empty. Show you guys my little cups that I have because I love drinking tea, and so I have, of course, fall cups. These are actually brand new. Mom just bought them. This one is so cute. I have this one. It's actually huge. It's like the size of my head. Can you see? It's huge. I could like eat soup in this. I definitely will do that. But this one is like my favorite. I've had this one for 2 years now, a year now. I don't know. I love that they all have like things on top so that they stay warm. It's lunchtime. Bell peppers like that in the air fryer. So good. This channel, they have so many like super cozy stuff to look at. So I'm gonna see Stormy Night in the 1930s, Grandma's Cottage. That's not very fall. That one is the one I had. Oh, they have so many cute ones. Oh, that one's so cute. Yeah, but it's not that Halloween yet. That one maybe. Going for this one. It's cute. I have this book for school that I have to read, and it's literally in a language that I don't understand anything of. I've been procrastinating on it, to be honest. Then you have the dog that randomly wanted to sit next to me. Let's read. Again, my loves, I am in the kitchen and I will make my mom's favorite treat, which is basically only roasted almonds. And so it's really, really fall vibes, you know, fall. I feel like nuts and dried fruits. So fall, so fall. So that's what we're gonna make. And it's really easy. It's literally, you put almonds in the air fryer for like 2 minutes and then that's it. But still, I'm gonna film that for you guys. So let's go. While I'm waiting for the almonds to be done, I really wanted to show you guys this new thing that my mom bought. So it's called smoothie and chai topping. It's like this spice for fall and it smells so good. So inside of it you have turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, star anise, I don't know, pepper, cloves, licorice root extract, and cardamom. It's so good. It smells like chai tea, but that you can eat, and it tastes like so good. I love using it on like apples and stuff. This is almost even better than pumpkin spice, like literally. Almonds are done. We are now on our way to my grandparents because they just got home from a trip, so that's gonna be nice. Singing in the rain, walking in the rain.
I'm happy again. I'm young and I'm free.
Anyways, we're on our way home. Can you stop? Thank you. We're on our way home from the grandparents. It was very nice, but when I'm with my grandparents, I'm not filming because it's family time. That's precious. It's raining. Oh yeah, sorry, I thought you were not there.
I'm so fast.
There's no joking here. You really want to go home quickly. I have a dog that hates rain. It's kind of funny. Never seen you walking so quickly. Okay, so I am home now and it's officially dark outside. Vibes are cozy, vibes are autumny. Anyways, I'm gonna finish off my night with a book. So this is the end of today's video. It was a little bit of a lot of different things. I really enjoyed taking you guys through this autumn, fall, prepping for fall day in my life, Saturday, just fall, just vlog, fall vlog. You know, I'm losing my words here right now. I'm super excited to see you in the next vlog. Comment down below your favorite fall activity. I love doing all of the things, honestly. I'm excited to see you in the next one. Love y'all.